Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today's video is going to be a unboxing video. So for my upcoming trips I have brought a DJI Osmo Action Cam. So let's unbox it. Due to my ever-rising excitement, I have already opened it seal, but it was in a great shape and with a original packing. This is written as Osmo Action. You can see the DJI logo here. If you are planning to start your new channel or you are planning to do regular YouTube videos and you don't have much budget to push for the GoPros like Hero 8 or 9, so this is a very good camera on your pocket friendly budgets. So this is how the front looks, DJI Osmo Action. And let's go to the back. So as it says, it's a dual screen which comes in the GoPro Hero 9, 4K HDR, waterproof till 11 meters, rock steady mode. GoPro calls it as a hyper smooth mode, and this is rock steady mode. Both are same, and you can shoot it up to 4K with 60p, and it has 8x zoom as well. Before unboxing it, let me show you a couple of more things, right? You can download the DJI app and register your camera in that app so that you can get all the DJI benefits like 1 year warranty and all. So apart from that, what are the things are there in the one camera, one battery, one Type-C cable, and one quick release base, having those sockets and all, a curved adhesive mount, battery case. So this particular battery case is a very useful accessory which comes only in the DJI, and some hooks and some mounts as well. Let's open the box. Okay, soft material is given just to make sure that there is no scratch happens while the product is in transit. Let me open this box for you first. This is the cable, this is one of the socket, this is another socket, and this is the battery and the case. So inside the battery, let me show you. This is the battery, I think 1030 mAh comes with the package, and this is the case. So this case is pretty handy when you are traveling, and inside this case you can store your one of the SD card in this particular slot. So this is very much useful. So this particular case will come as a stock, and this is the Type-C cable which is in decent size, and one hook pin is there. So this is the cable which is in decent in size, and this is the hook to mount your things on the helmet. Let's pop out the camera for you guys. Oh my god, I'm really excited. GoPro Hero 9 was about 40,000, 39,000, but this cost me around half of it. It was almost 19,000 for me. This is the camera, you can see. This is the lens, this is the front display. This comes with a stock casing, which is really good. I mean, if you are not having much budget, or you are starting your channels recently, or you are an amateur YouTuber or content creator, you will not be having much budget to spend on these gadgets and all. So these housings and all comes very handy while purchasing a product. Hope that DJI will catch up with the GoPro very soon in terms of its features. This is a very good camera which I have seen in many other YouTube videos previously. That is why I opted for this DJI Osmo Action Cam. Try to open it. This is the casing and all. This is the place of your battery, and check out the pin. Pin is on the left hand side, this particular pin. So I'll be putting the battery like this. Okay, interesting to see there is two sockets or knobs, you can say. So this particular orange knob means the battery has been placed and locked perfectly. So this particular button says like you can tap it and the battery will pop up in case of you need to change it in between. So let's turn on the camera. So I think this is the power button. Yes, this is the power button. So let me open the, so this is the touch screen. You can see this English. Activate this particular by visiting the DJI store, I guess. DJI Mimo app from App Store. Right now save it, whatever is there. So the battery is low and all, so you can see the camera here. It is really good quality. I don't know whether you can see or not, but I can see it is giving really good quality. This particular thing off as well. Let me take this off as well. So if you push this particular button 2 times, now what happens, this particular screen got off, now this particular screen is on. So right now I am vlogging by this, so you can see my face and my mobile phone. So this is a really cool feature for those who will be taking this particular Osmo Action for their vlogging. So this is a very compact and useful product with with a very good quality of electronic features. I think it's worth buying for 19K only. So apart from this, I have ordered another adapter which will go here. So that adapter is like 2000 bucks, and that adapter comes with a charger and 3.5mm jack points. So in case of GoPro Hero 9 it cost around 5000, but in case of DJI Osmo it is only 2000. That accessories perspective also, DJI Osmo is cheaper, pocket friendly, with a almost similar quality of picture quality and the overall product quality. So upcoming days I will be shooting my travel videos with this particular camera, DJI Osmo Action. So hopefully those videos will be good. Memories which I am going to capture by this cam will be super exciting. Okay, so this was the unboxing video of this particular product. So that's all, my friend, today's vlog. Let's see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.